You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious name that I know confuses a lot of people, the name of this cave. If you want to learn more names of famous places in the US, stay tuned. Got more videos for you. Pronounced Anglehozary. Angle, like an angle. Ho-ze-re. How to pronounce Anglehozary cave. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.